Hello, this is Dr. Yasin Tayyim. What natural cough suppressant can I use for my child? All cough suppressant medications are not recommended for children below 2 years. Research showed that honey is an excellent alternative to cough medications for children who are 1 to 2 years of age. Honey should not be used for children who are less than 1 year because it contains harmful bacteria to young infants. According to Mayo Clinic, the recommended dosage of honey for children between 1 to 2 years for cough suppression is 1 teaspoon as needed. Another good option for cough suppression in children is also steam inhalation. A little bit of menthol is added to hot water in a container, and the steam is inhaled as many times as you need. I hope this video was useful and you liked it. Subscribe to the channel to get more videos. Goodbye.